Hello everyone, welcome to another video here on the World of Coasters. Today I'm here with Louise.
Yay!
We're at Chessington World of Adventures, our local park, and we're here on business today.
Yeah.
Today we've been sent here by the guys at My Moments. You may know that company as the people that have stands up in a lot of the Merlin parks, and actually a lot of parks all over the place, to be honest. But yeah, they've sent us down here to review a new product for them. They've been kind enough to provide us with a free copy of the Find and Seek Adventure book, which is a new concept they brought up for the park. It's starting at Chessington. They've got a couple other rolling out at Blackpool Pleasure Beach. It's a bit different from this one, but we're going to that on another video. It essentially is a hand illustrated find and seek book where you get to create your own avatars and then get them hidden in the book for yourself to find. But to get the printouts, you have to go around the park and find various QR codes.
Treasure hunt.
Yeah, it's a treasure hunt essentially. So you can buy the book from Adventure Point store, which is in the middle of the park. It's right by the carousel, very hard to miss. Or you can order it online. It costs £15. As of the moment, there is no annual pass discount on this product, so it hasn't been ruled out in the future. Although for that £15, you do get quite a lot. You get this book, which is like a nice matte feel to it. It's quite a high quality book,
Yeah, it feels very high
all
quality.
hand illustrated pictures, and if you open it up, Louise, inside you can see a map of the park. This actually has the pinpoints of where each of the boards are,
Yeah.
but we'll go into that in a minute. And
How to use it.
Yeah, has an app that's joined to it, which we'll go through in a minute. And then you'll notice that each page is currently blank. That is where our find and seek will be printed and stuck in with our own avatars in it.
If Luke zooms in, you can sort of see what the picture's
vaguely
going
see
to
it in the
look
back.
like.
So there's one for each land, 11 lands in the park, has a fun fact filled page on the left, and then an area to stick your picture on the right. So to use this, you will need to download an app off of the App Store. It's an absolutely tiny app. It's only 3 megabytes in size, so don't worry about it eating your data up on your day out. You can download it by searching My Moments in either the App Store or the Google Play Store. Download that onto your phone and you can set up your avatar. So once you've downloaded the app off of the App Store, open up the My Moments app. It will come to a screen that will show your location. Currently there's only Chessington World of Adventures and Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Like I say, they're rolling a couple out at the moment with different concepts. We'll select Chessington World of Adventures and it will take us to the location. So from here we can create our avatars. You can make up to 4 avatars per book, so your entire family can be involved. So let's start by making myself. So we're going to add my name and then we're going to create my adventurer. So when you get to the Create Your Adventurer page, you can choose between adult and child, and then we can start customizing. Now at the moment there aren't a mass amount of pieces, but I've been told that they're adding new pieces constantly, so you can customize your character. So let's make a start and customize our character. So skin color and some eyes. I'll just go for the generics. We don't have glasses. We don't have a moustache either. No moustache. Let's just pick a hairstyle that somewhat resembles me. That'll do. Let's put a little safari hat on.
And your booties.
Yeah, let's have some hiking boots as we're going on an adventure. I'm feeling we're going for the adventurer look. Me and my vest top. We'll just go for the adventurer top, and I think that's going to be my avatar for this. So we're going to click on add another adventurer, or you can just have it on your own by pressing let's go. We're then going to let Louise create her avatar now, so pop your name in. And Louise will customise herself. As you can see at the top, it says your other adventurers on the list. Like I say,
And you can
up to
delete
4.
them if,
Yep.
yeah.
So you can start again at any time.
Should I do glasses or no?
I don't know, have a look what you think.
I'll try it with glasses at the moment. Oh, what hair? This one?
Yeah, that's probably closest.
I'm gonna have some sandals on, some jeans, and let's see what top. That one.
Okay, and then we're going to press let's go, and that will start the game for us. So it will show you an image of your complete party. So there's the 2 of us, and we're going to press begin exploring. It reminds you to purchase the book. However, you don't need to purchase the book to use the app. You just won't be able to get your printouts at the end. So you can get the book again from the Adventure Point gift shop or online before your visit. It's £15. So we're going to press let's go, and we're going to start looking for the QR codes. As you can see from this page, it will tell you to start exploring and find the QR codes around the park. And then when you find a QR code, you press the scan QR code, which brings up your phone's camera. You may need to give permission for it, but let's go hunting for a QR code. Right, so you may be asking, how do I find the QR boards? Because Chessington isn't the smallest park in the world, but if you open up the first page of your adventure book, it gives you a rough location of them. So there is one in each land, 11.
Are we near one right now?
We're currently sitting outside the Burnt Stub Mansion, so we are over here. Oh wait, hold on, yeah, we're up here. So there is one, there's one near the Otters actually, which is just over behind us.
That one first then.
Yeah, we're going to head off and find it and show you the process of scanning a QR code and starting finding the various prints. Right, so we come across our first board over here. As you can see, it's a big A2 board on the wall. There's only one per land, so it's where roughly the magnifying glass is. And there's a QR code on it, which we're going to scan now and collect our first prints.
And look how the picture, I love this style of illustration. It looks
yeah,
really good.
So one good thing to bear in mind, if you're actually walking around the park and you close the app down, you can open it back up and it will remember where you've left off, so there's no worry about losing your progress or anything like that. You just have to select your location again and it will pick up where you left off. So we take our phone up to the QR code and you can scan it from quite a distance away, but that's how it's done. As you can see, gives you a Meet the King of the Jungle at Chessington Zoo, and we add that location to our book, which adds it to it, and then we can continue to the next land. So let's continue to the next land and see if we can find another QR code.
Stick into there.
So we're down in Wildwoods and we found another one of the signs is the one for Wildwoods, as you can see here. We'll give that a scan and carry on our adventure. Right, so we'll show you one more example around the park. I think we're heading towards the Forbidden Kingdom now to find the one near Cockdrop. So an eagle-eyed Louise has found the Forbidden Kingdom plaque. We'll give you one thing, they are quite well hidden. They're like in a rough area, which actually adds a bit of entertainment to it, because it's not as easy as just finding it in a location, it's just around that area, so you actually do have to explore for a bit. So let's scan this one and then go about finding the rest. So once you're ready to get your book made, head over to the Adventure Point gift shop, which can be found in the park's main plaza, right next to the carousel, just for a reference point. And we're going to head in now, get our QR code scanned and get our book made. So once you enter the Adventure Point gift shop, you come to this booth in the corner. It's all labelled up with the find and seek stuff, and there's actually some pictures of the prints pre-done. We get our QR code scanned and that will get our unique prints done, where our adventurers will be hiding within the pictures somewhere. So after a few minutes of them being printed off, we now have our unique prints. They're to a really high quality, aren't they?
And it didn't take long to print.
Didn't take long at all. We did have to wait for the printer to warm up, but we've come here a little bit earlier than probably the main rush of people. You get your 11 prints, which come on sticky back paper, and they can be stuck into your book. And can you see us in any of the pictures, Lou?
Yeah, I found, so there's Luke.
And there you
There's
are.
me. Why am I so huge compared to you in this photo?
I don't know, but yeah, in every single picture you're hiding around. So there I am in that one. And then you've got your names on there, and we've got one for each of the lands. Beautifully hand-drawn lands, which, believe it or not, the person that drew these lands lives in Brazil and has never visited the theme park. So,
Pretty cool.
seeing as we've got the station to ourselves for the minute, we're going to take the time to stick them into our book now. So this is the front page showing your adventurers, up to 4 of course, it's just the 2 of us.
Yeah.
I'm really impressed with that. I think that's £15.
There's so much to look at as well.
Yeah, it's a good £15 to spend, I think. We'll get this stuck in the book and then give you a final look at the product. Right, so we're going to stick the first one in now. So there's instructions on the back of how to peel them off and stick them down, but basically they're just sticky back images which come straight off and go into our book. So let's get our introduction one off. Got to find the seam. So there's like a double edge to it. There we go. So you get the main bit off, and then just peel off this bit. Now this is. There we go. And now this gets stuck into our book. See how straight I can stick.
Pressure.
There we go. And that's like
no bumps or anything in the picture.
proper sticks down nice, so yeah. So another good thing that Louise has pointed out is actually on the back of the image it shows you an outline of what should be stuck there. So if you're wondering which one sticks where, it's quite obvious. It can be a little bit
nails.
Yeah, a little bit fiddly, but they're really good quality. They stick down really well. So your turn. Can you stick it straight?
Oh no.
The pressure mounts.
Like that?
Yeah.
Yes.
There we go, so let's get the rest stuck in off camera and then we'll show you the complete item. Right, so after about 5 minutes we've now got all of our prints stuck into our book and I'm very impressed. I'm not just saying that. They are super high quality and once they're stuck in they actually look like they're printed, don't they?
Yeah, it looks like it's part of the book.
No blurring whatsoever. Where are we in this one? This is the Forbidden Kingdom.
There's me.
So they're quite well hidden, and where am I?
I have no idea where you are. I can't
See if we
see
can
you.
find us. You've got like obviously Tomb Blaster here, Drop All the Rides. And like I say, the person that drew these lives in Brazil. And apparently he did a lot of artwork based on Google Maps and just pictures from around the park. So yeah, hidden quite well in there. And then on the other page here we've got all the fun facts about the area, including the Forbidden Tomb or Terror Tomb. So firstly I'd like to give a big thank you to the guys at My Moments for sponsoring this video and providing us with the product and a day out at Chessington to review this product. It's really great and I think you should give it a go. It's £15 well spent, I think.
Yeah.
Like I say, they're going to be rolling out different types of things like this at other parks. I don't know how much I can really say, but the one at Blackpool involves selfies. So hopefully we'll be able to give that one a review as well, assuming the My Moments people like this video. So be sure to leave a like, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.